Hi foodies, welcome back to Cook with Puneet, where vegetarian food is made easy. Today we'll be making one of my favorite Punjabi dishes known as Rajma. This request was sent to me on Instagram and it falls under our Request by You series. So if you would like to follow along, please continue watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you think someone else might enjoy this video, please don't forget to share it with them. For this recipe, I'm using a medium-sized bowl of kidney beans, also known as rajma, and prior to cooking it, we're gonna soak it for 5 to 6 hours. So we'll start off by washing our kidney beans and then soaking them for 5 to 6 hours. Once we're ready to cook the kidney beans, we're gonna spill the water out just because it causes gas or bloating. And then we're gonna take a pressure cooker and add our kidney beans into that, add some water and wait for one whistle. The kidney beans should look like this after. Next we'll need Hing Powder. This helps with bloating and gas as well. We'll need red chili powder, Kitchen King Masala, turmeric, also known as Haldi, Cumin Seeds, also known as Jeera. We'll need salt to taste, green chilies, a small piece of ginger, and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. I'm using 2 big tomatoes, but if you're using medium sized, it'll be 2 to 3. I'm using 2 big sized onions, and we'll need coriander. And now we're ready to make our rajma. In a pot, I added some oil. I added about a spoon of jeera, and we'll just saute that for about a minute. Next, I added my green chilies, garlic, and ginger. And we'll just let that saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I added my tomatoes and onions, and we'll just let that saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. And the reason all my ingredients are roughly chopped is because I'm going to blend it anyways. I added a lid for the steam to build up in the pot, and after about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm just gonna add some salt into it, about half a spoon of haldi, and about half a spoon of red chili powder. And we're just gonna mix that all together. And we'll just let our masala cook in the tadka. And usually I let this cook on medium to high heat, and it takes about 4 to 6 minutes. And then I added about half a glass of water. Next, I'm gonna take a hand blender and blend that all up, and we'll want that completely blended. And then I'm gonna add another glass of water in there and just mix it together. And we're just gonna cover it and let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. And once it starts to boil, we're gonna add our rajma in. And I added another glass of water, and we'll just mix that together, and now we're getting that rajma color. And I added 1 more glass of water, so after I added the rajma in, I added 2 glasses of water. Now we're gonna cook our rajma for another 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm gonna cook on medium heat. Adding a lid is completely optional. Next, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a spoon of hing powder, just a tad bit more than that. And I'm also gonna add half a spoon of Kitchen King Masala. And we'll just mix that in together and we'll let that cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. And now that our rajma are ready, I turned the stove off and I added my coriander in it and we'll just mix that together. And your rajma are ready, but just keep in mind that the gravy will actually thicken up after you take it off the stove. And if you're having rajma, you can't have it without chawl. So I made some chawl and I added some rajma on top. And what my family likes to do is we add some cucumbers, onions, and tomatoes on top. And that flavor tastes so good with the rajma and the chawl. And your rajma chawl are ready. So if you enjoyed today's video, please let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I post videos weekly, so if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so and don't forget to hit the bell notification. If you have a request for me, feel free to send me a message or write it down in the comment section below. My socials are at Cook with Puneet. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care.